2021 glow season. Welcome to my channel, clickety clack. Don't forget to double tap, like, subscribe, comment, and follow. Let me know what you think, cause we finna get lit. You already know. Welcome to my channel. Oh, her, body that. Oh, her, like dang, too sweet. Okay, let's do that. Hello, welcome to the Candy House. It's your girl Too Sweet, aka Jinx. I'm pretty. So right now I'm just showing you guys how I get ready to install the wig that I made. I did cut off the cap on the first closure. The second closure I left it on because it didn't really seem like you could see it as much. Right here I'm showing you that I'm using the Super Bond weaving glue gel or whatever, however you call it. I think it's glue. Yes, it's the glue. And then I mix it with my Granilla Snot gel. And then I also go ahead and use my freeze spray. My edges do not come out. This is what I do, I guess, to get my wig to stay on for like 3 to 4 days without it coming off, and that's perfect. But honestly, I do not lose any edges. My edges aren't damaged. And as you can see, this is how I have the unit on. I don't think I put it on as perfect as it should be, but honestly, it did hold on. It did not come off. Right now, I'm just wetting the bundles up and getting it nice and moist, about to get the closure together because I wanted to show you guys, how I apply my hair unit, how it came out. And yes, I feel like I did a good job. It doesn't fit too loose, it doesn't fit too tight. So when I was sewing the tracks on, I actually sewed it on right because the wig does fit nice. And as you can see, it looks like I'm actually rocking it well. Well, not perfect, but I'm hoping that, look at that little, curl pattern coming. But I'm hoping that whoever watches this video, you guys actually like and see the concept of what I was trying to show you, and that I'm actually happy that I decided to turn my bundles into a wig because I think I'm gonna rock it a little bit more. The next thing is for me is to learn how to pluck it, and I guess to get the middle part because I didn't pluck it at all. I just, went with the flow. So honestly, I want to say I probably glued the wig on a little bit behind my edges, but as you can see, it's still applied on nice. It still looks good. All right, I'm trying to get it where y'all can see. But this is the end result of me making the wig. I know I probably did not apply it on perfect, but I wanted to show y'all. Video. I'll be dropping more videos and all that. But that was all for my video. These are just pictures and little clips of what I was able to do. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And I honestly hope that I get better at it. Cause lately I feel like it's me versus me. Don't see competition, so would you compete? Don't even gotta be woke. Still gonna be ya. I make a back of my sleep. Cause oh, like dang, too sweet.